YouTube? Today we are going to do a full body cool down. So hopefully you just got done doing any of my 10-minute HIIT workouts, and no matter how long the workout that you do is, it's so important to make sure that you're giving your body time to recover. This is when you're recovering, this is when your muscles are going to be able to rebuild themselves, and the fuel and the macros that you eat will be able to help you recover and help your muscles recover. So we're gonna take you through a full body cool down today. Each move we're gonna do is with the foam roller. You're gonna do each move for 50 seconds. Some of them are gonna be unilateral, so you'll be on that same leg 50 seconds and you're gonna rest for 50 seconds. So first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do our calves. I'm gonna start our timer. You're gonna set your foam roller on the back of your calf. You can put your foot over. You can connect at the ankles, and you're just gonna roll. And I kind of like to roll my leg back and forth so that I can hit really every aspect of that calf muscle. It actually gives you an arm workout too, because you're kind of hovering on the ground, but you can kind of feel where those knots are and that acid buildup is in your muscles. So just kind of really, marinate on those knots that you have there, and just kind of roll them out. So you've got 10 seconds here on this leg, and then we're doing the exact same thing on the other leg. Be sure you're hitting the full calf muscle. Okay, as we're taking 10 seconds, switch over to the other leg. You're just crossing at the ankles, and when the timer goes off, you'll lift up again. Here we go. So again, just kind of rolling the foam roller all around your calf to make sure you can go all the way down to your ankle. It's a good ab workout. And just take this time to breathe, especially if you just got done working out. Really give your heart rate time to recover. That's the whole point of cardio. I've said it in every single video. Cardio is to help increase your cardiac endurance. That should be your goal. The nurse in me is coming out, but use cardio as a tool to increase your cardiac endurance and your cardiac capacity and all of that. So this calf on my side is very tender. Okay, next up, we've got our hamstring. So kind of the same thing. You're gonna position your foam roller underneath your hamstring. That's this muscle that goes from the bottom of your glute to the back of your knee. Cross your legs here just to put a little bit of extra weight on it. It's a really big muscle, so it's a little bit harder to kind of get into that deep tissue and really work it out, but this is really great if you just got done with a booty workout, a glute focused workout, to really help recover those muscles and elongate them. But same thing, you want to kind of just roll around if you need to put your foot down for balance. Sometimes it kind of gets away from me, but just roll it around and really focus on those knots if you feel any. Whew. Got 3 seconds. Here we go, switch over. You're gonna switch over to the next side, target it under that hamstring, cross your leg to where the center of gravity or most of your weight is focused on pressing that hamstring into the foam roller. And you can just kind of roll on it back and forth. But you really want to make sure that you're taking the time to stretch and foam roll after every single workout. It's really great to do this before bed. It's a great calming nighttime routine if you have the time, like while you're watching TV. Because I know, like right after a workout, it's like, oh, I just want to get out of the gym, or I just want to be done, eat my protein shake, whatever it is, break my fast. So it's really great to do this just while you're, watching TV, whatever it is. But you'll feel amazing. Your posture will start to get better. Your workouts will start to get better. You'll be able to lift heavier and all of that. Okay, next you've got glutes. So I think this is the last unilateral one that we're going to be doing. So if you're working your left glute, cross your left leg over your right knee and just kind of roll there on it. Really target. Again, you're just kind of moving your glute muscle around the roller so that it can target it and get any soreness out. I definitely need to take more time to do this. But if you like this cool down video, feel free to take a look at my lower body cool down. It's just primarily lower body focused, so if you need a little bit more there, we've got tons in the playlist. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like the video. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see in the comments. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to this side. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Just kind of roll here. Feels good. The next one that we're going to be rolling out is our lats. So that's going to be basically your upper back. I feel like sometimes my lats get a little bit neglected, so it'll be good to kind of roll them out. Ooh, I got a little tender spot there. Let me know in the comments below if you've done the lower body HIIT workout. That one kicked my booty, literally. But I've got tons of free workouts on my Instagram. Be sure that you're following me over there. Lots of grocery hauls. Whew. Okay, next we're doing our lats. So this is going to be primarily focused on your back. So right where the lower part of your scapula is, maybe target your foam roller to be there. Kind of lift up with your booty. I like to put my hands over my chest here and just roll. Really, you can rock from side to side if there's one side that's a little bit more sore than the other. And get up into your upper back if you can. If you need to support your head, feel free. And just roll there. Whew. Looks good. Yeah, but tons of free stuff on my Instagram. I do a lot of carb cycling. All right, so next up, we're gonna do a chest opener. So you are going to be here and you'll just kind of lay here and open up your chest a little bit. Change the location. Whew. Feels good. Really helps to stretch out the chest. It's increasing the range of motion of that muscle a little bit. You're not rolling. You're just kind of sitting here, breathing, deep breath in, deep breath out. Really helps. I can feel the stretch right here in my delts. If you did that upper body HIIT workout, woo, something good to do afterwards. The next move that we'll be doing is we'll be going into a child's pose, which most people know this as kind of like the universal, but you'll put your toes together or toes on the floor, knees out, 45-degree angle, and just sink in and allow your body to kind of reflect. I am in no way a yoga teacher right now, but you can really feel the stretch in your hips, your booty, and just let your body sink into the floor. That's what all the yoga people say. Just sink into the floor and let your body kind of stretch out. Put your arms forward if you can. Just reflect on everything that your body has been able to go through, how strong it is, and slowly come up, and that is it. We're done with our recovery for the day. Thank you so much for watching and joining in with me on that cool down. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Please hit subscribe. And if you want to, follow me on any of my social channels and you will get tons of free content and value. So, see you in the next video.